All right, so real quick, this is my solution for mounting an AFR gauge, air fuel ratio, in my Ram. This one's from AEM. It's pretty slim. I found this 3D printed bracket on eBay. It had a bracket that came off onto the bottom here, and you put a couple screws in it, and that's how it held on. And it was just black plastic. That was fine. I decided to cut off that bracket, epoxy it on, a little bit of Bondo on the seam, and paint match the whole thing. It's pretty bright in here, but this is a darker red. So that's all paint matched. It needs a little bit of wet sanding, but the gauge presses into there. It's a tight fit. It probably won't be able to do it with one hand. It's a very tight fit. Oh, there we go. That goes in there like that. It's cut out at the back for the wiring, as you can see. The other wiring will go through that hole. And nice clean little way to put in an AFR gauge.